Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just streaming your favorite shows, having the right router can make a world of difference. Wi-Fi routers have evolved over the years, offering more than just high-speed internet. We've tested and reviewed a handful of routers to find the ones that offer the best value, performance, and cutting-edge tech. So, if you're upgrading or buying your first router, keep watching this video.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie, Broadband Expert at BroadbandNow. In today's video, I'm going to go over which Wi-Fi routers we believe are the best in the market right now. We chose them based on affordability, performance, value, longevity, and technology. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on all things broadband.
In choosing the best Wi-Fi routers, we considered essential aspects such as affordability, performance, value, durability, and advanced technology. Our testing took place in a 3-story, 1,600 square foot home equipped with typical wireless devices like smartphones, laptops, game consoles, and smart appliances. To ensure well-rounded results, we conducted a series of speed tests using a 1 gigabit per second fiber internet connection, evaluating performance on both Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 devices. For mesh systems like the eero 6 Plus, we also looked at how well the nodes communicate with each other and tested the handoff between the nodes. After hours of testing in real-world conditions, we combined all of our data, speed tests, range results, congestion handling, and latency measurements, to determine which router stood out as the best for different types of users. Our BroadbandNow pick is the TP-Link Archer AXE75. If you're looking for a blend of performance, value, and future-proof technology, this one is for you. It features Wi-Fi 6E, which gives you access to the 6 GHz frequency band, meaning faster speeds and less congestion. With speeds capable of reaching up to 5.4 gigabits per second, this router is blazing fast, especially on Wi-Fi 6E enabled devices. During our testing, we found it outperformed all the other routers in terms of speed and latency. If you're upgrading from an older router, or this is your first Wi-Fi 6E purchase, you'll definitely notice the difference. We tested the TP-Link Archer AXE75 with a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and even smart TVs, and it handled everything like a pro. Even in high-traffic environments with multiple devices streaming gaming and downloading large files, the Archer AXE75 kept the speeds high and the latency low. Now, if you're someone who wants to get the most out of your internet speeds, especially if you have a fiber connection, this router's performance will blow you away. And it does all of this at just under $200, making it one of the best value Wi-Fi 6E routers on the market today. What could be better? Well, this router didn't perform as well in our tests if you have older devices that still use Wi-Fi 5. So, if your household has a lot of legacy devices, do keep that in mind. If you're looking for a router that also acts as a mesh Wi-Fi system, check out the eero 6 Plus. If you live in a multi-story home or have a larger floor plan, this system is going to be your best friend. The eero 6 Plus delivers fast, reliable coverage across your entire home by using multiple routers that connect to each other seamlessly. What sets the eero 6 Plus apart from other mesh systems like the Linksys Velop or the Asus Zen Wi-Fi is its simple setup process and backward compatibility. With a dual-band network and 160 MHz bandwidth, the eero 6 Plus provides excellent coverage even in homes with multiple floors. The setup is incredibly easy. Just plug it in, download the eero app, and you're good to go. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes to get everything set up. However, while the eero 6 Plus is perfect for large homes, you'll want to make sure you get at least 2 units to cover those harder-to-reach areas. While it works as a single unit in smaller spaces, we found that its true power shines when used as a mesh system. You do need to subscribe to the eero Plus service for some advanced features, which can be a downside. Also, it's not the most powerful standalone router out there, so you'll need to invest in multiple units if you do have a larger space. Each unit costs around $100, with the 3-pack costing $300. We think the eero 6 Plus offers tremendous value compared to other mesh Wi-Fi systems and routers, so if you need seamless network coverage in your home, this one's a great choice. Our best budget pick is the TP-Link Archer AX55. If you're looking for a solid router that offers fast speeds and great reliability without breaking the bank, this is a great option. It's got many of the same features you'd expect from more expensive models, like Wi-Fi 6 technology and WPA3 security, but at a much more affordable price point. In our testing, the Archer AX55 consistently delivered fast speeds, even at a distance. In fact, it outperformed more expensive routers like the eero 6 Plus at longer distances. And all this for a price that's well below $150. Installation was a breeze, and we haven't experienced any network outages since installing it. This router is perfect for small to medium households where budget matters, but you still want solid performance. That said, it lacks some advanced features that higher-end routers offer, and because it's not Wi-Fi 6E, you might find yourself wanting to upgrade sooner if you have a lot of next-gen devices.
Let's talk about 3 key reasons why investing in a Wi-Fi router is worth it. 1. Most internet service providers will rent you a router, but did you know you could be paying up to $15 a month just for the rental? Over a few years, that cost really adds up. And by purchasing your own router, you can save money in the long run and get better performance. 2. The routers you get from your ISP? Not often the strongest. Many homes have dead zones or experience slow internet because those rented routers cannot handle larger homes or multiple devices. By choosing the right router for your space, you can eliminate dead spots and get faster speeds all across your home. 3. If you're using devices that support Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E, having your own router ensures you're getting the fastest speeds possible. With so many new devices coming out, your ISP router simply won't keep up.
We ran multiple tests on each router in various rooms, next to the router, upstairs, and even in the garage. We tested them in 2 different environments, a normal one with average usage, and a busy environment where we had multiple devices streaming and downloading simultaneously. This gave us a real-world sense of how these routers would perform in your home. Interestingly, our test showed that routers without Wi-Fi 6E actually performed better on older Wi-Fi 5 devices. The eero 6 Plus and TP-Link Archer AX55 consistently provided faster speeds compared to the more advanced TP-Link Archer AXE75, regardless of whether the network was congested or not. When we moved farther from the router, the results were clear. No router exceeded 200 megabits per second beyond a certain distance, especially once you factor in obstacles like walls or floors. Both the eero 6 Plus and Archer AX55 saw a significant dip in performance at location 3 and location 4, about 1 or 2 floors away from the router. However, not all routers struggle equally at a distance. The Archer AX55 handled more network traffic than the eero 6 Plus when placed farther away, making it the better option if you live in a busy household with a lot of older devices. To see how routers handled Wi-Fi 6 devices, we used the Google Pixel 6 Pro, which even has Wi-Fi 6E capabilities, allowing it to tap into the 6 GHz frequency band. One thing was immediately clear: Wi-Fi 6 generated much faster speeds when close to the router. While Wi-Fi 5 had an edge at farther distances, the Wi-Fi 6 devices gave us the closest results to our internet service plan speeds when we were nearby. Among all the routers, the Archer AXE75 was the clear winner in our Wi-Fi 6E tests. Thanks to its access to the 6 GHz band, it achieved speeds as high as 946 megabits per second under heavy network load, leaving the others in the dust. However, the catch here is that without Wi-Fi 6E capable devices, you won't be able to access that frequency band, meaning its performance drops back to more typical levels. But if you have Wi-Fi 6E enabled gadgets, this router will give you the best speeds. While the eero 6 Plus performed well at a close range, it faced issues at longer distances due to its inability to manually switch between bands. As a mesh system, it automatically selects the 2.4 GHz band for devices farther away, which limited our speeds to just 37 megabits per second upstairs. This makes it a less ideal option for those who want to push speeds beyond close range use, unless you invest in additional routers to boost the signal in a mesh setup. Now, let's talk about latency, which is a measure of how responsive your router is. We tested for 3 types of latency: idle ping, download ping, and upload ping. We tracked how each router handled latency under different conditions, and here's what we found. Once again, the Archer AXE75 came out on top. Its newer Wi-Fi 6E technology allowed it to handle network congestion with ease, posting some of the lowest latency scores during heavy traffic scenarios. The Archer AXE75 also outshined the others in terms of long-distance performance. Thanks to its multiple antennas, it maintained stable communication even when the signal had to penetrate through multiple floors. The eero 6 Plus performed admirably on the first floor with Wi-Fi 5 devices, showing low latency during light traffic. However, at greater distances, it struggled without additional mesh nodes. The download latency spiked as we moved upstairs, and without more eero routers in a mesh configuration, it couldn't maintain the same level of performance. While our top 3 picks cover a wide range of needs, there are a few other Wi-Fi routers we tested that are worth mentioning. For serious gamers out there, the Asus RTAX 86U Pro is a beast of a router. It's equipped with Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabit per second wired port, and 160 megahertz channels. It's an excellent all-rounder for everyday users too, with impressive performance on top of its advanced features. Another router we want to highlight is the Netgear Orbi 860 series. This is a mesh Wi-Fi system similar to the eero 6 Plus, but with even greater range and power. It's perfect for those with large homes or properties that need extensive Wi-Fi coverage. The Orbi system is a perfect blend of budget and performance.
To recap, the Archer AXE75 is the top performer, especially for houses with Wi-Fi 6E devices. The Archer AX55 excelled in handling older Wi-Fi 5 devices, outperforming advanced models in some scenarios and at longer ranges. The eero 6 Plus offers solid coverage, but it does require additional routers for optimal performance. Whether you're looking for raw speed, mesh coverage for your whole home, or a great budget option, there's a router on this list for everyone. Investing in the right router can save you time, money, and plenty of headaches when it comes to staying connected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, and I hope you did, give us a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech reviews. Read our full guide on BroadbandNow.com. The link is in the description. Be sure to turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. We'll see you next time.